My name is Connie Beauchamp, and I live in Lafayette, New York. This is a small little community of manufactured homes. Each home has 2 or 3 very large propane tanks to provide heat for the winter. The first winter that I was here, thank goodness I wasn't here very long, the cost for propane was horrendous. I was being charged every month almost $500 to fill the propane tanks. That summer, after I had this put in, before this was put in, it was 102 degrees in this house. I ended up going and staying at a friend's just so I could cool down. By the time they got the system in and this was up and running, everything changed. This was nice and cool. It was very comfortable. It was very pleasant. It's running now and you don't even hear it. To have a bill that was $6.36 is awesome. So I'm very impressed. I'm very, very happy that I put this unit in. And I want everybody else in here to have the same thing. Halco stood behind me all the way. Any problem I had, Halco was there in a flash. I would call somebody, Halco would be sitting in my driveway to resolve it within hours or the next day. Right from the beginning, right from the meeting, the heat meeting at the town hall, to a meeting here in my home with questions before we got set up with coming back and applying for the grants and things like that. Any of the service guys that have come in to check anything, if I've ever had, and mostly it's a learning curve. It's a problem that maybe they told me about, but I just didn't remember. And they never ever make you feel like you inconvenience them. It's always, what can I do to help you? It's like, what can we do to make it better? Their service people are wonderful. Their salespeople are excellent. The installation people are exceptional. The owner of the company is the best. I can't say anything else. There's just nothing more I have to say. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong.